Today we are making this very simple Ghanaian street snack or food called Kofi Brokeman. Yes, roasted rye plantain. So don't go anywhere. For this recipe, you're going to be using your rye plantain. So what I like to do is to wash my rye plantain first before going ahead to peel. This will help me get rid of any dirt or germs that could be on the peel and that could transfer onto the plantain itself. And of course, you can wash it after you've peeled it, but I usually do not do that. So I prefer to wash the skin first before I go ahead to peel my plantain. So here I'm using dry plantain. I like mine firm. I know some people like it on the softer side, but because I like mine firm, I use the plantains that have just ripened, okay? So I divided each plantain into two and then used my knife to score it. So I made marks on it so that it's easier for the heat to penetrate and cook my plantain. I don't think I've mentioned already, but I'm making this in my air fryer. But you can go ahead and make it in your oven. You can use your stovetop. You can also use your coal pot with charcoal in there, and you can enjoy this in the comfort of your home as well. When I'm making coffee brokeman at home, I like to coat my plantains, my peeled plantains, with a bit of oil. That's because I don't want a situation whereby when the plantains are done roasting or grilling, they turn out looking dry. So the oil helps to sort of hydrate, or if you like, moisturize the plantain. If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Yasmi, and this is my kitchen taste and bloom. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Backtracking, if you're new, please consider subscribing and joining this amazing blooming family. And also, if you've watched the video till this end, I'm going to assume that you like what you're watching. So please look below and give me a thumbs up. When you are done watching, leave a comment down below for me to appreciate that you passed through. And share as well, and let's keep the family growing. Once all my plantains are coated, I'm going to go ahead and put it in the air fryer. So fortunately for me, my air fryer has icons, if I may say so, that indicates how many minutes and at what temperature you should be cooking anything you stuff in there. So that's what helped me to achieve the perfect roasted plantain. If you're going to be using the oven for this recipe, please bake or oven bake it on low medium heat. So my air fryer grilled or roasted this for me at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Mind you, I didn't have to go in to turn the plantains or anything. I left it in there, went about my other duties, and then when I came back after 20 minutes, my plantains were ready and looking good. I enjoyed this with a combination of roasted peanuts or granuts and boga, okay, coated peanuts, and it was amazing. I hope you try this recipe at home, and let's keep growing and blooming.